we've been on the ride along with Suffolk Police. We've been just sort of patrolling the area around the town centre. We did a couple of checks on some cars about insurance and some previous history on that.
It's going well so far. I've had varies of different things, just general patrol, kind of driving around, done a bit of on foot walking, just kind of looking around the area, kind of knowing where all the hot spots are. They've been asking plenty of questions, making sure my knowledge is up to check as well.
We had a nice blue light run for a broken down vehicle that had just gone over the Orwell Bridge. We had some public engagement with a couple of people that we know from previous incidents, engaged with them, made sure they were okay. And yeah, we've just gone through the town and kind of seen what's been going on.
From our point of view in policing, it's a community aspect that I think we like to sort of keep with. Kind of making sure we're offering people opportunities, because otherwise I think policing can be a bit of a scary thing where you don't know a lot about it, and you often won't come into contact with us unless you study us or want to become one of us. They don't get to do ride-alongs otherwise, they don't get to come along with us, they don't get to see how we operate sort of beneath the surface. So I think it's quite nice that actually it gives them the opportunity to do that, and they can kind of, it might actually sway their decision on if it's a career or something they might take to later on.
The course itself has kind of exposed me to loads of different careers in the police, and they basically said that special is probably one of the best ways to get involved without actually properly joining. It definitely gives that sense of reality of what the job is, but the college itself have definitely encouraged it, and they've kind of helped me with the whole process of the interviews, kind of the vetting, everything like that. They've supported me through and through. I'm
on a policing course. What's more perfect than going out with a police officer? We get that perfect experience, and I can see the transferable skills to what I want to be doing.
The topics that we've covered are so relevant to the actual career of policing.
Myself, I'm young, definitely panicked about what it would be like to be the authoritative person, but just don't think about it like that, because your colleagues around you, your tutors, anyone that is here will help you and will teach you everything that's going on.
We went to a job that hadn't necessarily had to make an arrest. We could see how their thought process has been and what they do to go through that process of that decision-making model. This course will look really good if people want to go into this, and this is a perfect course to do it, perfect college to do it at.